up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Tynika, and if you're returning, then thank you for coming back. So y'all, today we're gonna be playing a game. It's gonna be something like finish the phrase. More specifically, finish the black mama phrase. If you grew up with a black mama, you know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm talking about like 90s, early 2000s. These kids born in 2013 and 2014 and 2015, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. They don't know nothing about how it was back then. I asked ChatGPT because ChatGPT is that girl. Do you hear me? If you need to know anything, go to ChatGPT. You need an idea, go to ChatGPT. You need therapy, go to ChatGPT. Got it? So I typed in finish, wait, what did I type in? Oh, I typed in finish the black mama phrase. She ain't gonna know nothing about this. Wait, put your leg over here. She ain't gonna know nothing about this, y'all. So the very first one is, this one really funny. I brought you into this world,
and I can take you out.
Have I told you that before?
Yes.
I must be doing a good job. Okay. You got McDonald's
money?
You got that from your daddy, right? Because don't he be asking Tristan that?
And they,
huh?
They gave me McDonald's.
Daddy he got you McDonald's?
At the blue house.
Fix your face.
Before I fix it for you.
Got it. You doing real good. I'm not one of. Uh-oh. You know that one? I'm not one of what?
Them.
That one worked too, because you shouldn't play with that girl. She is not one of them. But no, it's, where am I even at? Oh, it's I'm not one of your little friends.
Oh.
Okay. That one kind of don't make any sense, so we're gonna skip by that one and that one and that one. Okay, a hard head
makes for a soft.
A soft what? Behind.
Yes.
All right. Stop crying before I
give you something to cry about.
Yes, ma'am. Now, I don't think you might not know this one, but when we get in this store,
better not ask for
don't touch nothing, but you better not ask for nothing. That one worked too. I like that one. Do I look like do I look like you don't know it?
No.
Boo Boo the fool. Don't let your mouth you don't know that one?
No.
Don't let your mouth write a check your behind can't cash. Child, that's funny. If it ain't one thing,
it's another.
Whew. Let me see what else they got on here. What don't come out in the wash? You don't know it?
No.
Will come out in the rinse. Okay, we got that one. If it ain't broke,
don't fix it.
Yes, ma'am. Money don't grow on
trees.
Sure don't. If you can't stand the heat,
get out the kitchen.
Children are to be.
I don't know this one.
Now, I don't necessarily agree with this one, but children are to be seen, not heard. I don't know who came up with that, child. I can show you better
than I can tell you.
Sure can. So I'm pretty sure y'all can tell by now that we just doing any kind of phrases at this point, and I just want to see if she know them. So we just gonna continue going with it, because I ain't have that many black mama phrases. But yeah, it's just a game. So let's start with it be your own
kids.
Yes, this says people, but exactly right. It do be my own kids that be acting like they crazy. Get somebody else
to do it
expeditiously. That's the one.
And not do.
Yes, ma'am. Let me see, because you probably trying to cheat. Let me see.
No, I'm not cheating.
Oh, y'all, now they got a section over here that says church and family sayings. God don't like
ugly,
and neither do I. Won't he
do it?
Yes, he will. Praise the Lord. Jesus be
Showing up and showing up.
offense. That one will work too, but Jesus be offense. Let go and
Let God.
woo. Almost shouted. Let go and let God. Now it says black household sayings. Y'all, black people are the bomb. Like, I love black people. Black people are it. Life be
Lifing.
all the time. I ain't never seen this of myself. Guys, how but
I don't know.
I still gotta go. Guys, how but I still gotta go. What in the world? I don't know. I don't like the rest of these, y'all. Okay, y'all. So that's probably gonna conclude. Did I just put my phone in some water? I think I did. Okay, y'all. So that's gonna be the end of this video. This was just a quick, fun game to do to see if she knew the stuff that my mom used to tell me back in the 90s when we were growing up. And Mom, do not ever get in the comments and say you didn't tell us that if you brought us in the world and you could take us out, because you did say that. You ain't do it, but I'm just saying you did say that in case you're watching. You told us a whole bunch of other stuff too, but I'm not here to put you on Front Street. But Taya, did you enjoy this game? This was fun. We gotta do this again, y'all. Y'all let me know what y'all want to see, because we trying to get this content off the ground. What, it ain't at ground zero, let's be clear. It's at ground 493. Thank y'all for watching, and we will see y'all in the next video. Greet the people. She'll see y'all. If she acts right, she will be popping up on this channel again. If not, y'all won't be seeing her, but we will see y'all in the next video. Bye. We just gonna ain't that crazy? So what is gonna be our pose? This? No, not the hand. So it's just like this. Okay, now you smile.
Yeah, you get a good smile.
Okay, you smile and sit still, because remember, these are gonna be screenshots. Then we do like this. Okay, that should be good enough. Am I crazy? Oh. Wait, where's my button?